beautiful design. And there's going to be instructions over there by the white big glass.
Whoa, these are rabbits? Whoa, yeah, these are rabbits. Be careful. Okay, you guys are gonna step. Whoa. You guys ready? Look at this. Do you want to be carried? Oh. Oh, you want to walk up? No, I'm not an animal. Yeah.
I follow Sebastian.
I'll help you. Come eat. You're gonna carry it? Yeah. Okay. Come on, you guys, let's go this way. Follow me. Come here. Look. Look. Oh my gosh, yeah. Two. How many do we have now?
4.
We have 4. There's 3. Yeah, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's follow Dada. Hi. Don't fall. Go, baby. Look, there's an ostrich right behind you. Look at Daddy.
Hey.
Do you see her? Yeah. Woohoo! You're gonna fall? I got you.
Let's feed these.
I got you.
Feed that one.
Let's feed that one.
Come on, let's go.
It's a big step. Okay.
Look,
Come on.
Sebastian, want to
Oh.
race to the middle one?
Oh.
Hey.
Uh-huh. Look, Sebastian says this one's hungry. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, Sebastian won. Whoa. Baby.
Okay, let's do a just normal video. Wanna hold it? Who wants to hold it? Serena a little bit and then Sebastian.
I'm over here.
Sebastian, come here.
Mama's over here.
Look at, get a picture of this.
Oh, I'm capturing it.
Are you doing live?
Yeah, and this.
Oh, Sebastian's
Hi.
turn.
Oh, Sebastian's turn.
Sebastian's turn. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. Come on, put your hand.
Whoa. That's so cool. Hi, dude.
Hungry, dude.
Let's go. We're going now. Look, Mama. You guys saw bunny and ostriches and emus? Yeah? Sit there. Mommy, sit there. Okay. Oh.
I want to go find